Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper, the Model Builder, and we're going
R2-D2, Your Highness.
We're going on with that beautiful droid from Star Wars, R2-D2, and I've got everything lying around. First thing I need to show you that I've got a connector again. I got that engine in. I put everything in there and I've tested it and it's working fine. Even the cutoff is working fine. I've got the helmet over the top of the everything here. I've got the leg here and lots of parts. But let's see what we do. Dome panel and fuel cell parts on the foot. There we go. So let's do that dome cell part first. I'm quite sure it's that one. Let's try it the other way around. I think that works a little bit better, but we'll have to find that out. So we put that panel in. We're putting it back onto the dome, so all the panels may be pushed in a little bit better. Let's clean that up, and we're going on with the foot. All right. I'm pushing all those rubbery things in to cover up the screw holes that were there. And we do that before we put that fuel cell in, what they call it. So we put that on like so, 4 fixing screws, which we do not have, so I need to get out the I've taken the longer ones. They're plastic screws. As you can see, the thread is pretty wide. Forgotten to get those copper cables out, but we will get them out. So we've got one here. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but the lower one goes in the outer one. Yep, I think I've done it. Right there, those two are in, as you can see. And that's the first stage done, so let's get to the next stage. Don't think I need this one anymore. So let's see what we are doing in stage 60. Yep, this is what we're doing. And we are going to use that a little bit more. Okay, stage 6 as you saw. We're not doing anything with that. Nope. Just the cable. So I'm putting that away there. We are doing something with this. And we do need the back, because we're going to take them all off and put them onto the so we've taken care of those. We're starting with that one. There we go, that's all together. We're going to put that aside because we're not using that anymore. We're getting the foot out and we're putting all these little things. These have a different shape, so we're not putting them in yet. Last one to be put is in right there. So that's another stage done. Well done. This way it goes really, really quick. Let's see what we do in 61. There we go, 61. Burnout. that is what we have. These are what we're getting. These are the odd shape ones, and these we are going to use as well, and the rest is going to the side again because we're not using it just yet. So let's get that foot out first, and we're going to put those two in. So we're going to put those two on, so I'm going to turn it around, and we're going to put those two double-sided tape things in. So as you can see, the panel is in, or the stickers are in, and those two panels are in as well, as you can see right there. So we're putting it back onto the styrofoam dome, and that's all it is. Yep. So let's go to 62. Right there. That's the X-Wing. I built that one as well. Check out my channel if you want to see that. I'll put a card up so you can see it, but you can see it on my channel. So we're putting panels in, and we're putting some stuff on the dome. So I need to get that one out as well, but let's start with the panels, which I just put away. That is something we are going to put in a little bit later. I've got 62, but they're showing 3 panels. Sorry guys. Was looking with my nose. So we've got these 3. Did we get those panels somewhere? I can't remember that I got them from issue 1. Wow, that is a long time ago. Yeah, I think I have everything. I do. Okay, we're going to start by putting on these 2 panels. We've got those 2 panels in as well. Now we're going to work all the way down there in the dome. Let's see. Let's put on the straight stuff first, and then we can put the rounded ones on. I'm missing one of those straight ones. I should have had 4, but I think I only... pushing it on so it stays on. All right, let's get the dome structure out and get that one out. It should go right there. All right, so with 2 silver screws. The thicker ones must be the ones that are going on. Have a look in the bag here, and we've got 3 really thick screws in there. Those are the ones we need. So we've put that one on. Then we need that one. So I've put, can you see it? But we've put that one in, and we've put that one in. And that is another stage done. Pooh. Let's go to the last stage. Here. Let's see if we have enough of those double-sided stickers this time. How many should we have? Two. That one and that one. I'm still missing one. All right. We're going to put this one on. And we're going to put a little bit of glue as you see me put that on. And if you're asking what I'm putting it on with, it's called a glue applicator. Oh, come on. These things are not on properly. I'm not with happy how those panels, they're coming loose all the time. That is what we have. And I'm going to put it straight away. I'm going to put it on the stands, hoping that those panels will lock in properly, because some of them are not in nicely. I'm not happy with how it came together. Well, that's the last stage done as well. Whew. That did not go too well. That's it for this one. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this R2-D2 build. And it did not go, those panels will not stay in neatly, so I will have to do the curve here compared to the it's not completed and nice, but I will have to have a look how I can fix that. So we're going to leave it like that and come back to when we do the next stages. Let me just clean up this one. So what I said, thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this build or any of those that you see in the background. So I really hope you will join me next time. Thank you. Bye bye.